Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today we are doing an authentic Ghanaian okro soup. It's very easy to do and it's so delicious. It's one of my favorite things to eat. Okay, so it's so delicious. I don't know, just follow me, and I thank you for coming along. Thank you to all my subscribers. I'm really grateful. Okay, so I have here some pepper, I have some onions, some ginger, garlic, and I have some smoked prawns and some cloves. Okay, so what I'm going to do with the meat, that I've got lots of things to add to my soup. Okay, I have here, as you can see here, I have some goat meat. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to blend all these spices, and then after blending them, I'll just put them with the meat, and then I'll cook the meat and I'll add the rest of the ingredients. So let's just come along with me, okay, and you will love it. Right guys, so I forgot to let you know I'm adding a bit of thyme to it. Okay, it's just about a teaspoonful. I like thyme. So guys, that's my goat meat. I put them on full heat, okay, for it to cook. I'll first of all add a bit of salt, okay, and then I'll add some black pepper. I love black pepper. Okay, so the next bit is to add all the ingredients I put into blend. This will make the meat taste really nice. So I add a bit of water to rinse the blender. So just stir so that the spices will go right to the meat. Right, so I cover it now for it to cook, and it takes about 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, while my meat is being cooked nicely, I want to work on my okro. I have some okro here. I have lots of okro actually. Okay, so I'm trying to, what I'm doing, normally I grate them, all of them, and for today I'm using my processor for this. So just cut just the top and the bottom bit, then I'll put that away. Okay, so I'm just in a hurry, so I'll just use my processor for this. It makes life easier. If you don't have a processor for this, you can use grater. You can just grate them, just grate all of it. Right guys, you can see that our soup is really cooking nicely. Okay, so this is still our goat meat. Smells so good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some crab. This is the crab. I bought it in the shop, so that you also take the marinade as well. So that's my crab. So I'll let it just simmer for about 5 minutes. I'll just add my smoked prawns as well. I'll cover it so that it will simmer for about a few minutes. Doesn't take long for the crab to cook, and then we go from there. Okay guys, so I'm adding another meat to my soup. You know that I like a lot of stuff in it. In Ghana, we normally put a lot of meat in our soups. Okay, so I have here some cow skin, and then the goat trotters. Okay, actually it's goat skin and then goat trotters. I just want the really nice goat taste. I'll just add a little bit of water and I'll allow it to cook for a few minutes before I add my okra. So guys, our soup is getting there. I want to add a bit of crayfish. This is just optional. You can add powdered smoked prawns to it as well. It's just optional, but I like the taste of the crayfish. So the next bit we need to add is our okra, as we did in the food processor. So I want to add the okra to my soup. So just stir it and then allow it to cook. Smells really good. So allow this to simmer and then we add the other ingredients. So guys, this is our okra soup. Okay, we've not finished yet. What I need to add is some spinach, okay, to make it much more healthy. I like to add a lot of spinach. Right, so with the spinach added, I don't want it to be on fire for that long. I need to add some fish to it as well. I add the fish at the end because I don't want it to break into pieces. And I've already, what I've done here is, this is mackerel. That's mackerel, and what I did, I just spiced it and then put it in the oven. So I put that in. Just lots of fish, and the fish is really tasty because I did put some turmeric and garlic, ginger, some onion powder on it. Oh, this smells so nice, so nice. So guys, I want to add a bit of palm oil. Okay, so I want to just make sure that it tastes so nice. So what I have in Ghana, we call it, this is cured fish. It's like salted fish, but it's cured. It's called momoni in Ghana. Okay, so it makes it taste so nice. So it's actually sometimes called the star of the show. Okay, so this is what I have here. I'll let it simmer for a bit and then I'll add some onions and then we just pour it onto the soup and then we are done. Right guys, I'll add a bit of onions. So guys, this is our goodness, that's oil. I'm just pouring that in. Just stir it nicely. You can have it like that without the oil, but I think that the oil also adds lovely taste to it. So guys, this is our okra stew done. Okay, I'll put up the fire, and that is our okra stew done. It tastes so nice. It's delicious. You have to try this recipe. Okay, so guys, this is our soup. Okay, this is authentic Ghanaian okra soup. It tastes so nice. It's so delicious. Look at that. What I'm eating it with is pounded yam. Normally in Ghana we eat it with banku, okay, or eba. All right, so you can eat it with anything. It's so delicious. Okay, so this is what I'm having for dinner today. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, okay, and do subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you will be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.